Hi, welcome to my video and welcome to what feels like day 1137 of this pandemic. I had a completely different video planned for today. I was going to share some of the things that we've been doing to occupy our time while in lockdown, while in quarantine, but I really didn't have the motivation to pull it together. The days are starting to feel all the same, quite frankly, and we're doing our best, and it's definitely not easy for anyone, and I couldn't make it. So I'm going to share with you today a juice recipe instead. One thing that we have consistently been doing is juicing, and it really does help to kickstart our day. It helps us get a serving of fruits and vegetables early on in the day. So I'm going to share a juice that's very easy and hopefully accessible. The ingredients are easy to find, they will last a long time in your fridge, and I'm calling it the pandemic punch. So here we go, let's make some juice. This juice uses just a handful of ingredients: cucumber, carrot, apple, and lemon. And there are two somewhat exotic ingredients, which are turmeric root and ginger root. But if you didn't have access to either of those, this would still be a very delicious juice. You could simply add more of something else. The ginger, turmeric, and lemon are some of my favorite ingredients to use, not only in juices, but also when I feel like I'm coming down with something. At the onset of a cold, or when I feel like I have a sore throat, there's a natural cough syrup that Pranav sometimes makes for me. It's lemon juice dissolved in a bit of honey and some finely grated ginger. I don't think it has any proven bacterial or viral fighting capabilities, but it is very soothing for the throat. Sometimes I also make haldi doodh, which is turmeric milk. It's sometimes called a turmeric latte in the West. It's like one of those old remedies that has somehow been culturally appropriated by the West. I don't mind if it helps people and they know where it came from and they acknowledge it. So I do use these ingredients in other things, but I really love to incorporate them in juice. This is a very easy juice to make, and if you don't have something, you could very easily substitute something else or add more of something else. If you don't want such a sweet juice, maybe use a green apple instead, add more cucumber or add some celery, maybe some leafy greens. It might change the color of the juice, but that's really not the point. I think the point of juicing is to have something really delicious and nutritious, and to have it early in the day, preferably on an empty stomach, so that you can really absorb all of the goodness in your juice. And that's it, friends. Like I said, I just really couldn't pull it together today. I hope that each of you is doing better than myself. I hope that you're staying safe and well, and I am going to see you very soon with the video that I intended to release. Until then, take care and bye-bye.